Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to limit charging to 80% on your iPhone 15. So here is my 15 Pro Max and to extend the lifespan of your battery it is very easy. Just go to settings and here go down and tap on battery. Here we have battery health and charging. Tap to go inside. And here we have charging optimization. Tap again to go inside. And now it's check optimize battery charging. But if you want to reduce the amount of heat and stress on your battery, which can help it last longer, just select 18% limit and then just go back. And now we have charging optimization at 18% limit and that's all. Just go back and exit and now life of your battery will last more. So I hope this video to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.